Nongïalam ke All India Trinamool Congress Dr. Mukul Sangma ulapan ya ke benta ban yo long kumu Nongïalam ke Liang Pyrshah ha ke ying dorba tauan ke jela Meghalaya hadian bau ba Ronnie Lindo MLA ke Congress na melim ulai no ekate ke kam min ha ke ar punyau trik nailar arjar pusau Kadau bau ba Ronnie ulai no ekate ke kam kadai namar baudan setang maung hi marway kumu MLA ke Congress hadian ke jinglet penyeso jong laingot ke MLA Shakan National People's Party Shushu ulampang ke ying dorbar tauan Thomas A Sangma ule thu bau ba Ronnie Lindo ulai lang ke Kyrshan na ke benta Dr. Mukul na ke benta ke Shuki Kumban Shukdo baka All India Trinamool Congress kadon san ngot ki MLA ha Liang Pyrshah kad baka Voice of the People Party kadon saw ngot ki MLA ulampang ul pentik na bau ba Ronnie Lindo ulai ru ya ke Siti Kyrshan ya ke TMC na ke benta ke Shuki Ula kedau pada ke Kyrshan undang tauan bermarway jong ke Kongres ke AITC menta ke don ya ke jingklan jong ki hinriu ngut ki rekod na ke Liang Pyrshah ke bami khmat ya ke 10% jong ke jingklan jong ke ying dorbar. Hakawai pat ke kubor ke All India Trinamool Congress ke Kyrshan ru yo MLA ke Kongres na ke benta ke kam kumu Chief Whip ke Liang Pyrshah. Ulampang ula benrap ru bau dang bisar benya ya ke ni ke jing dawa bat un sepen benasan ya ke rai jong u.
I received a resignation letter from Ronnie Lindo as leader of the opposition, and at the same time he had come with a letter of support to TMC also. So Dr. Mukul Sangma as a leader of the TMC party had taken claim to the post of leader of opposition. I have received a letter with the support of one lone Congress MLA and 5 TMC members in the house. So their strength has gone up to 6. Since I had already also had mentioned that we need at least 10% of the total strength of the house. So it is there exactly 10% of that, total number of 6 members. So I am examining it, their claim for the post of leader of opposition and the opposition chief whip also. So I am examining it. Maybe by tomorrow or day after, I will be coming out with my decision. They had submitted a letter yesterday, and today also they had here in my chamber also they had physically presented themselves. So I had physically verified their claims also. That is, I will be examining it. They have claimed, they have supported, they are claiming the leader of opposition, TMC party, and they are also supporting the candidature of Ronnie Lindo as opposition chief whip. I cannot say it is final. I am still examining it. Yes, because I think so far, as I have also made a statement earlier, they require at least 10% of the strength. So that is there. So let's be positive.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya